Well, exploring a new creek. Nothing better than a first cast snag on a cedar tree. Oh, there's a fish. What do we got? It's a wild brown. Great way to start the fishing adventure. Oh, there's a fish. Nice one. It's a decent trout. There you go. Nice little brown trout. Absolute beauty. Got amazing colors. Absolutely stunning guy. Well, that trout had it engulfed too much and it's not going to make it. It lost a lot of blood. You can tell already. It's losing a lot of blood, so that one was exactly the minimum size limit to keep. 8 inches for a brown, so it's gonna be dinner. This is a beautiful creek. It's got cold water. It's got a decent current, and what makes it really good for fish, there's tons of woody debris around, so they can hide in just about everything they want to. Here's a good one. Good trout. Good trout. Another nice brown. Perfect. It's a beauty of a fish. Ooh, there goes my one I just caught. There he goes. Here we go, nice one. Good brown. Best fish of the day. Beautiful trout, oh my goodness. Here we go. Best fish out of the creek so far.